my name is Leslie and I lead the Reading Safari and Stream programs for Monterey County Free Libraries. Today for Self-Care Sunday, I have something to help you with all that dry skin that you're probably dealing with from washing your hands too much. It is a do-it-yourself at-home sugar scrub. Here are some of the ingredients that you can use to make your own sugar scrub. We have regular white sugar, we've got some brown sugar, olive oil, coconut oil, and a little bit of almond oil. And then I have some little essential oils that you can add optionally if you'd like to make it smell good. And so for this particular sugar scrub, I am going to use white sugar because I have always used brown sugar, so I'm kind of curious about how the white sugar will work. So I've got that right here. I also have, I decided to use olive oil instead of coconut oil or almond oil because I've used these before, so I want to see how these two things work together. And then I have my two essential oils that I will add at the end. So I'm going to mix this together. I'm going to add you have 1 cup of sugar, and then you add your ½ a cup of your oil of choice. Mix it together. I'm going to get that really nice, everything saturated, the sugar all mixed in so that there's no dry granules left. So that looks like it's getting pretty good. That is a good ratio of oil to sugar. I'm going to add, I think I'm going to add Citrus Bliss. See how it makes things smell. I like a nice citrus smell in my thing. So I think I added about 10 drops. You could probably add less. That might have been too much. And now I'm going to put this on my face. All right, so my face is covered with my sugar scrub. I definitely smell more olive oil than anything else, but it's actually, I'm getting used to it now and I'm smelling more of the essential oil. But when I first put it on, very heavy on the olive oil, but it feels, you know, kind of interesting. And you know, with the sugar here, it tastes pretty good too. I think it's a better idea, and this is how I usually use sugar scrubs, to apply this in the shower. And you can put it on your whole body. You can put it on your face, obviously. My hands really need it because they're so dry. My elbows and my feet. So those are all good spots to put a sugar scrub. So I'm gonna wash this off and then we will see how my face feels after. Okay, so I let the sugar scrub sit on my face for about 10 minutes. You definitely don't have to do it that long if you don't want to, but I did, and my face feels awesome. I mean, I probably don't look like I'm glowing, but I feel like I am, which is kind of the point. One thing about the sugar scrub is it's made of sugar, obviously. So you want to be careful of, you know, little friendly creatures like ants. You want to try not to leave too much of this in your shower if possible, if you have that problem at your house. Another thing is that things like this make excellent gifts for people. I have made gifts of sugar scrub in the past. I've put them in a little, you know, jar, or made a whole big jar of it and given them to like teachers and people like that to show my appreciation at Christmas and stuff. I would recommend that if you're going to use it for gifts, maybe olive oil isn't the best way to go because it has the heavy olive smell, but coconut oil is great for that. And coconut oil and brown sugar work really well together. So those are some helpful tips. You can also mix this up in any way that you want. You can add different types of oil, like avocado oil. You could add probably some lemon juice, honey. All of these things help work together to make your skin feel really, really good. So I would definitely recommend experimenting some with the ingredients that you have at home. So I got my sugar scrub here all packed up in this little tiny mason jar, which is excellent for things like these. You can keep it in your shower or your bathroom counter, wherever you keep these kinds of things. Should keep it nice and moist and keep a nice tight seal on it as well. Bonus is that it's made of glass and not plastic, and it's reusable, and so it generates less waste, which is better for our environment. I hope that you will engage in some self-care this week, whether it's doing a sugar scrub or yoga or whatever makes you feel good. Until I see you next time, take care of yourself. Have a great day.